Right guys, what we got here for you? So we've got a nut gun, 1/2 inch nut gun by a company called Onevan. It's a brushless tool. It feels, as I'm holding it here without the battery, feels a bit, it's top heavy, but you know, obviously the anvil and that's going to have some weight to it. It comes with, you know, a socket for, I don't know what size that is. It has a, oh yes, it has got it on it. That's a 21mm socket, but if you've got some sockets about, that's fine. This is a tool, you know, you're not gonna, it's more of a DIY sort of occasional use tool. So if you know, you're wanting to change the wheel on your car, that kind of thing, you're at home use, or you're wanting to drive some big bolts into some beams of wood, you will see me use this on some upcoming videos. I've got some woodworking build videos where I'm going to be making structures, and I'm going to be using the coach screws, and I'm going to use that 1/2 inch. Now I've got some impact rated sockets. I mean, this comes with one of 21mm, but I've got some more, so you might want to go out and get some more. But Onevan, I've not heard of the brand before, to be perfectly honest with you. So guys, if you've heard of it or you use it, please let me know down in the comments. I can only go off of what it comes out of the box. It comes with 2 batteries and it comes with a charger. Now out the box, the batteries were charged, but it's got like this weird setup I've never seen before, where you actually plug the charge, it's on green there, plug it in and it's charging, turns to red. The batteries feel nice and solid. I don't know what the quality's like, but again, if you guys can let me know in the comments if you've got this or had this brand. I know they've got a really big following on social media, so go and check them out there as well. But it does come with 2 batteries. It's got the gun, it's got some instructions, and it's got this booklet of other products that they do in the range. So that's that, guys. But it doesn't look half bad. When I put the battery on, it transforms the tool from like being really top heavy, which it's going to be, it's a nut gun, and it's sort of like got a more of a nice balance to it. The action, you can see as I'm pushing, quicker it gets. Reverse, forward, reverse. So that is going quicker in reverse than what it is forward. So I take it more power in reverse, because you know, if that's right, that's a good feature. And then you've got your modes here, if you can see them down here. Hang on, let's get to 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's got a power indicator there, it's got a little LED light here. The battery slides off nice and easy. What can you say? I quite like it, and that'll come in handy for a couple of build videos I've got lined up, so I'll be able to give you an updated review on it. I can't give you a full-scale review because I've not used the tool yet. They slide on nice and easy. Yeah, brushless tool. I mean, that might be a real good sort of addition to your toolkit. What do you reckon, guys? I've never heard of this brand, but Onevan, interesting. This will be an interesting tool to use and go and make things with. And then I've got the added bonus of if I want to change, you know, wheels on my van or my car, that kind of thing. There's loads of different uses for nut guns, isn't there? But yeah, I'm quite liking that. This just seems a bit odd to me, this sort of setup. But whether it's a normal type of setup, I'm unsure. But the batteries are fully charged. Make life easier. What's this? Oh, that's your instructions. You got English, German, Russian and French. You got an after sales service there. Russian. Yeah, we all know Russian, don't we? Anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the comments. That is the Onevan 1/2 inch nut gun. I'm going to have fun with this. I am going to have some fun with this, and I'm going to use it on some build videos, so I'll be able to give you a bit better review. Now, I'm not qualified to take this apart and have a look at the internals, so I don't know what the bearings are like, I don't know what the switch mechanism's like, all that kind of stuff. But it's a cheap, you've got to remember, it's a cheap tool. That's all metal there, this is all sort of plastic, a nice rubberized grip. It's ergonomic, feels nice. That's nice and solid there. The screws look like they're okay. And like I said, it's a brushless motor. I can't look inside it because, number one, I won't be able to put it back together. I'm that type of person. You know, I take stuff to bits and can't put it back together. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comments, guys. I'm liking the look of it, but time will tell. And more to come on this one. So thanks for watching.